All right, what's going on? What's up? How y'all doing? Another 240 video, 240 stuff. Yee! All right, guys, so we're gonna start right off the bat. We're gonna go ahead and install our power steering rack. As you guys can see, these are the TriggaSpec hoses that we created for the rack. So if you have a 240 and you have an old rack or those old crusty lines, you could get new ones. This setup is gonna be $100. Comes with all the fittings and everything you pretty much need. And so yeah, get rid of all those crusty lines, the hard lines that sometimes are bent and stuff, hard to find, as well as these two fittings for this side. But yeah, we got some energy suspension bushing. This is the part number for you guys if you guys want to do it. But yeah, pretty much super simple, just a 2 or 3 piece. I'll have to see what's up with this. We got our brackets that we painted and our rack, and it's gonna pretty much seat right there, and then you bolt it in and hook up your rack. And then as well over here we have our diff. So as you guys remember, I had 2 diffs. I have my Nismo GT Pro, which is this, the same diff that's in the Z. And then we also have our stock one, stock open 240 diff. Get this cleaned up and stuff, and it'll be for sale. But yeah, let this dry right now. We painted it all black, looking all fresh. But yeah, let's get this thing in. All right, so it got dark, so we had to come to the next day. Hold on, so next day it was raining somewhat too, so we had to give it some time. But pretty much our rack is in, guys. I need to tighten it down, but pretty much as you guys can see, everything is in. So the new bushing right there, new bushing right there. It'll tell you in the instruction manual which one you need, because I guess this power steering rack bushing kit works to 300ZXs too. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Just gotta get it tightened down. Super nice. New hoses look nice, everything looks super nice. So there's that. Now we go on to the diff. So we got our, but yeah, I got this a while back for I think like $800, which is actually a steal. Fully assembled, everything, and it looks nice. Yep, everything looks nice. The gear rings look very nice, no tears or nothing. And then I don't know if we could see it from here. Maybe the pinion ring is back there too. It looks solid. But yeah, this is it. We went ahead and painted the housing and everything, got it looking fresh, cleaned up all the bolts, and we got the cover as well. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get this assembled. We got our good old O'Reilly's. This is the part number gasket for the diff. I know some people are like, oh, get the metal one, it doesn't really matter. So this is the gasket, and then we're gonna be going ahead and using, you could use any of these. I had never seen this, so I'm gonna use this time, the Permatex gear seal, like gear gasket maker. I guess it's friendly with friction modifier, which we used in the Z diff to quiet it down because it had a lot of chirping because of the clutch packs. But I mean, excited to try this, so let's see. We got our gasket, and then this is our diff cover. As you guys can see, I went ahead and used some purple power and cleaned it up, and it was pretty cool because I didn't really have to rub down nothing. And on the back side we went ahead and painted it. Unfortunately, because of rain, there's some like water spots, but oh well, it doesn't matter. It looks way better than it did before. Well, yeah, ready to go. So with a razor, you're gonna want to head and clean the surfaces. I know this in this video the surface doesn't seem super clean, but trust me, it is. It's very soft. Clean it up, make sure it's nice and clean. You're gonna want to go ahead and lay a bead down, put the gasket on, and then lay a bead on top of the gasket, and then slap this onto the diff. And then after you slap this onto the diff, you tighten all the bolts, and then you gotta wait an hour for it to cure, and then you could torque it to the spec, and after that you gotta wait 24 hours. Now we got our 5 lug hub conversion, and these come in a set with the fronts and the rears. But we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the knuckle. Pretty much you need this size 32 socket, your nut, your washer, and some NTCs. Alright, so like we went over, you are gonna want to put the bracket in. Bushings can be facing whichever way, same thing on that side. That side, the bracket is actually specific and the bushing is specific. But yeah, go ahead and tighten this. Super far, super tight. But this is how it should look. And before you tighten it, you're gonna want to put the steering shaft into the connector and then go ahead and tighten these, because otherwise you won't be able to get it in. But yeah, that's in, looking good. And then we also went ahead and installed our end of our tie rod, which would be this billet piece right here that I got. It's a billet connector, adjustable on both ends, and then just connect to the power steering rack. Check out those TriggaSpec lines though. Well, anyways, this is how it looks, guys. So hopefully you guys, whoever is going to be doing this, you're interested, works out for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.